Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet S10, price $7,999. With only 126,000 miles, this truck has been driven far less than many vehicles of its age, making it a rare example on the market today. This particular S10 features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. It is powered by a V6 gasoline engine that is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth performance and dependable everyday drivability. The truck is known to run and drive very well, making it a practical choice for someone looking for a reliable older pickup. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with a modern Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit, allowing for easy smartphone connectivity, navigation, and media access. Comfort is also a highlight, as the air conditioning system blows ice cold, which is especially appreciated during hot summer months. In addition, the vehicle comes with documented service reports and maintenance records, showing that it has been properly cared for over the years.
Number 2.
1984 Dodge D250, price $6,500. It has traveled only 69,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, power comes from a 360 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny gear, along with a Dana 60 rear axle, a combination well regarded for durability and strong low-end torque. The truck starts right up, runs well, and shifts smoothly. All lights and gauges are reported to be functioning properly. Like many trucks of its age, it does have some rust, but nothing excessive, and the frame remains solid. The steering is tight, and the body is fairly straight overall. The truck has received a rolled-on paint job, and both the bed and undercarriage have been treated with undercoating. To be road-ready again, it will need the brakes adjusted and bled, along with a basic tune-up.
Number 3.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. Presented as a solid classic pickup that retains its original drivetrain. It is equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, both of which were rebuilt several years ago. The engine has been upgraded with a performance cam and is reported to run very strong, while the transmission features a shift kit and shifts smoothly. According to the seller, the previous owner removed the exterior body trim, although some of the original trim pieces are still included. The truck was originally equipped with air conditioning, but the AC system has since been removed, and the heater core has been bypassed. The vehicle is also equipped with power steering, and the lights and gauges are reported to be in working condition, adding to its usability as a classic driver.
Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck currently shows 331,000 miles on the odometer, although the gauge cluster is not original, so the exact original mileage is unknown. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. It has recently received a brand new engine and front-end components, with receipts available to verify the work. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, and most features operate as they should. The only known mechanical issue is a leak in the air conditioning system, which has not yet been repaired. Cosmetically, the truck shows typical wear for its age, including minor dents, dings, and scratches, along with clear coat fading on the hood and roof.
There is also some bubbling on the passenger side cab corner. Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, presented in good overall condition with both the paint and interior well maintained. This truck is equipped with a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering the classic power and reliability these models are known for. The truck features a lowered stance, giving it a more aggressive and custom appearance. Additional highlights include short headers for improved exhaust performance, a modern double DAN stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity, and custom interior lighting installed in the upper cabin and ceiling area, adding a unique touch to the interior. Overall, the truck combines classic styling with tasteful upgrades, making it a solid example of a well-kept 1990 Chevrolet 1500.
Number 6.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, showing 204,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a straightforward and reliable driving experience. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and practical appearance that suits its durable design. This Ranger has received several recent maintenance updates to help keep it running smoothly. The water pump, thermostat, and timing belt have all been recently replaced, addressing important components of the cooling and engine system. In addition, a new battery was installed last month, ensuring dependable starts and improved electrical reliability. Overall, this truck presents as a clean, solid, and dependable Ranger that has been maintained and kept in good operating condition.
Number 6.
1983 Ford F250, price $5,200. This particular example is powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch, big block V8 engine, a motor well known for its strong torque and dependable performance. It also comes equipped with a convenient dual gas tank system, giving the truck extended driving range and added practicality for longer trips or work use. According to the owner, the truck has had only 2 owners since new, which is relatively rare for a classic pickup of this age.
The current owner acquired it years ago and has continued to keep it running strong.
The engine currently shows around 500,000 miles, but despite the high mileage, it remains solid and continues to run very well, a testament to the durability of these classic Ford big block power plants.
Number 8.
1983 Ford F250, price $9,000. This truck features a crew cab configuration with dual rear wheels and a striking maroon and silver exterior, making it both practical and visually appealing. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and powered by the reliable 6.5-liter turbo diesel engine, inside, the truck offers several convenience features including cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and a power driver's seat, adding comfort for longer drives or work use. It currently shows 203,600 miles and remains in clean condition. A major recent upgrade includes a brand new heavy-duty built 4L80E automatic transmission installed by Hansers, ensuring durability and dependable operation. The truck also comes fitted with new tires, making it ready for the road or work immediately.
Number 9.
1983 Ford F250, price $9,000, powered by a fresh 454 V8 engine with some performance parts and what appears to be an aftermarket cam, paired with a TH400 transmission. It features electric fans and a dual exhaust system with 40 series mufflers that exit before the axle. The body is solid overall, with only a few rust spots in the bed, while the floors are in great condition. It is equipped with low gears and a rear locker for improved traction. The interior has been updated with a later model OBS front seat, along with tilt steering and power windows. Additional features include rally wheels, tinted windows, drop spindles and springs in the front, and a rear C-notch, giving the truck a lowered stance.
The faux patina paint gives it a unique look that gets plenty of compliments.
The truck is loud, quick, and comes with a clean Washington title in hand.
Number 10.
1998 Ford F150, price $3,100, well-maintained pickup with 165,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior. To keep the truck running reliably, several maintenance updates have been completed. The transmission was replaced with another unit in better condition, while the spark plugs and ignition coils have also been replaced. The front brakes were serviced last fall, and the tailgate has been swapped. Beyond those updates, the truck continues to perform well. It comes with fully functioning air conditioning and heat, and the 4x4 system operates properly. The truck rides on Michelin tires with plenty of tread remaining. Inside, the interior is clean and smoke-free, and it also includes a working radio with a good sound system.